Hey guys, Elliot here with another super cool offering from our upcoming Auburn auction in Auburn, Indiana. While this looks like a non-option Ford GT, no stripes, no BBS wheels and all that, it would be pretty rare if it were. But this is even more rare. You know, they made the Ford GT in 2005 and 2006. Well, this is actually a 2004 Ford GT Prototype. It's actually CP4/007. It was used for all sorts of things. This is a running and driving car, which makes it really interesting to be part of the Ford GT's history. But as you also may know, most of the time when manufacturers do prototypes like this, they don't have VINs and they get crushed at the end of development because they can't be sold to the public. Well, somebody at Ford managed to squirrel this one away and it slipped through the fingers of the Ford crusher, and it is now titled and registered and can be street driven, which makes it very important because normally you'd just be a useless paperweight otherwise. But this was a very significant car that helped pave the way for a very significant production car. This car was actually used to test primary climate control, which is interesting, but not as interesting as the fact that this car was actually the first documented Ford GT prototype to break the 200-mile-per-hour barrier. So this car has been driven, it has been driven hard, and it's got a lot of things that the production Ford GT doesn't have. Under this little hood thing, not really a frunk, it has all of the signatures from the production engineers for the Ford GT, which is something not every Ford GT has. And under this clamshell hood is something that is another thing that they didn't put on any other Ford GT. It is an exposed carbon fiber clamshell. Now, they were testing that out to see if it would work, but they actually found out that it would add over $45,000 to the sticker price of an already very expensive car. So this is the only Ford GT that actually has that. So not only is it special because it's the only 04 that's rolling around, but it's got a lot of unique features that no other production Ford GT has. So this is a very cool car, and it's a very important car, and it's just really cool to be around and see. And of course, it's here in Indiana, so how cool is that?